Hello guys, welcome. In this video, let's see how do you get a custom crosshair in Fortnite PS4 in the easiest way. Before getting into the video, I am on a journey to reach 5,000 subs at the earliest, so it will help me bring you more tutorials like this. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To get a custom crosshair in Fortnite on PS, you can use a monitor overlay software like NVIDIA Freestyle or AMD Radeon software. These tools allow you to apply custom crosshairs and other visual effects directly on your monitor without modifying the game files. Here's how to set it up. First, download and install the monitor overlay software compatible with your graphics card, NVIDIA Freestyle for NVIDIA GPUs, AMD Radeon software for AMD GPUs. Next, launch the overlay software and navigate to the crosshair or reticle settings. You can customize the crosshair size, color, and shape to your preference. Next, in Fortnite, set the game to windowed full screen mode. This ensures the monitor overlay is applied correctly. Next, disable the in-game crosshair by going to Settings, Game Reticle, and turning it off. Next, the custom crosshair from the monitor overlay will now be visible in-game regardless of the weapon you're using. Keep in mind that using a custom crosshair through a monitor overlay is considered a gray area in terms of fairness. While it doesn't directly modify the game files, it still provides an advantage over players who use the default crosshair. Proceed with caution and at your own risk. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching till the end. You consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel.